Hi, in this video you'll see how to make those bubbles that grow and pop, the ones you've seen earlier in the video's intro. For starting, let's create a new slide from scratch. I select the two text fields and delete them by pressing the delete key. Then let's add the first bubble. I go to Insert, then Shapes, then I choose Oval, and pressing the Shift key I drag the mouse, thus making a perfect circle. Now I'll add some lines to it. I go to Insert, Shapes, then I choose the line. Pressing the Shift key, I draw a straight line. Then I'll change its weight. I right click and in the menu that opens, I go to Width and choose 3 points for example. Then I copy this line by pressing the Ctrl key and dragging the selected object. I place the line right below the circle and in line with the other line. Now, by pressing the Shift key, I select them both, then copy them by pressing the Ctrl key and dragging them apart. Now I rotate them at a 90 degrees angle and arrange them to the right and to the left of the circle. Let's select again the 4 lines and copy them like before. I place them here to see them better and go to Rotate to change their direction. This time I choose from Rotate more rotation options. In the menu that opens, I write 45 for degrees and press Enter. Now I have the 4 lines rotated at a 45-degree angle that I can use for completing the bubble. I arrange the 4 lines to the left and to the right of the circle. I'll make the circle a little smaller by pressing at the same time the Shift and Ctrl keys, so I can make the circle smaller right in the middle of the lines. Now I have the lines and the circle, and by selecting all these objects, then pressing the Ctrl and the G keys, I group them. And now the first bubble is complete. I'll make it a little smaller. So I'll make 2 more types of bubbles now. I copy this bubble, so now I have 2. I ungroup this one by pressing Ctrl and Shift and G keys in order to give it another shape. I then select the circle in the middle and delete it by pressing Delete key. I group now just the remaining lines, and now I can make them smaller and give them another color. Let's make another bubble. I go to Insert, then choose a new circle. Then from Shape Fill, choose No Fill. Let's change its width to 3 points and the external color to this blue shade. Good. Now we have all the 3 types of bubbles ready. Let's animate them.